In a quiet Arctic village, a majestic pinkish-gray Siberian cat with emerald eyes played on a snowy rooftop with her fluffy pink kitten. They chased a red ball through the snow until it rolled dangerously close to the edge. The cat stretched to catch it, then slipped. She fell into the snow below, landing hard and twisting her leg. Her kitten, horrified, scampered down the icy roof and curled beside her injured mother, trembling. With no one nearby, the kitten darted through snow-covered streets to a neighbor's cabin. A kind woman followed and called for help. Soon a rescue team in bright green gear arrived, treating the cat gently. They brought her inside a warm wooden cabin, where she rested beside a glowing fire. Her kitten never left her side, bringing her blankets and watching over her. As days passed, the cat slowly regained strength. The kitten encouraged her with gentle meows and playful hops. Eventually, the cat stood and walked again, her daughter beside her. Together, they explored the snowy park. Cuddled under pine trees, and watched snow fall through frosted windows. Their bond, tested by ice and pain, had grown unbreakable, two hearts beating as one beneath the Arctic sky.